Hi guys, AMKSD with you. So last year Xiaomi had released Mi A1, which was a good phone and it had all the features which a costly phone has. So now this year they have brought its successor, and there are two of them. One is Xiaomi A2 and another one is Xiaomi A2 Lite. Or in some countries it is known as Xiaomi 6X and 6X Lite. Both the phones run with Android 1, so it has a larger display, powerful processor and graphics, and somewhat it gives experience like Google Pixel 2. So first let's talk about Xiaomi A2. So Xiaomi A2 has a 5.9-inch LCD display with 1080 to 2160 resolution and aspect ratio is 18:9. On the back there is a dual camera setup. The primary camera is of 12 megapixel and the secondary camera is of 20 megapixel, and the antenna bands are on top and bottom as it is done in the iPhone. This setup is done for low light photography, means like if we are doing a photography in a night or where the light is less, there it works very well. It has a fingerprint sensor on the front. The camera is also of 20 megapixels. So this model has three types of internal storage, that is 32, 64 and 128 GB, and it comes with two types of RAM, that is 4 and 6 GB. It runs with a Snapdragon 660 processor, and we can put dual nano SIM cards, but we cannot put an external storage memory. The battery is 3010 milliamp and it charges with USB Type-C, and it is really good that mid-range phones supports USB Type-C charging. There are slight changes in Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. It is a bit cheaper and this phone has a display change of 5.inch LCD screen with 1080 to 2280 resolution and 19:9 aspect ratio. Even this phone also has a dual camera setup as well, and the primary camera is of 12 megapixel and the secondary camera is of 5 megapixel. The front camera is of 5 megapixel. This model only comes in two types of internal memory, that is 32 GB and 64 GB, and a 3 GB RAM. It has a Snapdragon 625 processor. It also supports dual nano SIM card, and it has a 4000 milliamp battery, but it does not charges with USB Type-C but charges with micro USB. This model has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Both of these models are in 5 colors, that is rose gold, gold, matte black, blue and red. Well, that's all guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.